Check this. Welcome back to another tech video, guys.
Yeah.
What we got here today?
On a grown-ups drone.
We have a grown-ups drone, guys. We have Mavic Mini from DJI.
Yeah, because there's a phone to see camera, then phone's camera to see when the drone fly higher.
Okay, so the phone, we can see the camera on the phone?
Oh yeah, we can.
Oh yeah, we can. So,
And
guys,
that's my mini drone.
this is a kid's drone.
Yeah, for me and for grown-ups.
This is also a kid's drone.
For me and daddy and mom and that for
And,
my
but guys, this is not a kid's drone.
this grown-ups drone.
Yeah, that's a good drone, guys. Let's get into the unboxing.
Yeah, I have a new jumper.
And he has a new jumper, guys.
Yeah, because we bought it for the shop.
Oh, Rita.
Yeah.
Was Rita?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, so Rita got him a new jumper.
Yeah, because
Right, guys, so we got Mavic Mini from DJI, and this is the Fly More combo. Yeah, so let's see what got inside. A nice little case. And what's this? Propellers. Guards who fly with propeller guards. Well, let's see what happens when we don't have the propeller guards, isn't it? Let's see. So, they are nice little. Here we go. So you got one, and you got two. I'm not going to be flying with them, but here we go. Propeller guards. So here we have the batteries.
oh, batteries.
So the Fly More combo comes with 3 batteries. So 1 battery, 2 batteries, 3 batteries. Here we go. And nice box. And this one here is the charger, I believe. Let's have a look. Nice white charger. Here we go. Saying DJI there, as you guys can see. Oh,
It's cut.
nice manuals, so you guys can read them. We're not going to read them. Let's see what is inside here.
I will show what the control will look like.
Oh, you want to show them how the control looks like? Okay, let's have a look then.
The control looks something.
So we're going to open, and here we go.
Look, do it.
Let's show them. How cool. How cool is this,
I'll
guys?
show you.
You can show them the control. I'll open them, and you show them the control. Here we go.
This control. We need something on this.
Oh, okay. So guys, control. We have the control, and so opens like that, like that, like that, and
We need something.
have the little pins inside. So
No, it's a mover. It's a mover. Can I
There you
see it?
here we go.
Can I see it down?
Yeah, it's here. They are here.
The control moving to
Yeah, so
the
you go like
control
that.
to the drone.
Yes. So I have the pins here,
Is that the phone?
and here we go.
Yeah?
All ready to go.
Yeah, look,
Look at that.
do you see the microphone
Yeah.
go?
The Fly More combo comes with batteries. They go inside like that, and like that, and like that. So you can see that
Holy cow.
if you press here, if you press it, you can see this one is charged, this one is charged, this one is charging. The good thing about this one is it works as a power bank. You can charge your phone with this if you want to, and they will charge the 3 batteries. They will charge first this one, and then this one, and then this one. So when this one is full, it will start charging the other one. When the other one is full, it will start charging the last one. So it doesn't charge the 3 at the same time. That's a shame. So we got the propellers, extra propellers and screws. So we got 1, 2, 3 extra propellers plus the screws. And let's see what we got here.
I think it's a screwdriver.
I don't know. So here we got spare pins for the control.
Good job.
And we have the cables,
Good job.
charging cables, screwdriver,
Screwdriver. Another screwdriver on that. That's here.
screwdriver,
Screwdriver.
and more cables. This cable is to connect the controller to your phone. I'll show them in a minute. And how light is this? It looks like a toy. Guys, this looks like a toy. How light is this thing? Right, let's close this. Let's see how it works. So we take all the stickers. It came with nice little stickers everywhere, as you guys can see. Stickers everywhere. Got stickers on the back as well. And that's gonna put you right. Look, so you got camera, and look at that. It looks like a small toy. How good this is. And so first this one on the side, and then the other ones like that. And here we go, all ready to go. Look at that. How cool is this? 149 grams, guys, that's it. There we go. So, controller, phone. I'm using iPhone, so you got the cables here. So we got 3 cables. If you want Android, and we're gonna use the iPhone one. It connects on the side here, and there we go. Put the battery. It's quite easy. So this one up. Take the battery. So it's like that, and slide it in like that. Close. And it's ready to go. Turn it on. Just take the gimbal protection. Turn it on. Press 1. And here we go. It's on. It's on.
Don't go to me. Don't go to me.
Turn it on.
Don't go to
And it's connecting. Here we go. You guys can see. It's ready. Oh, it's flashing in red, as you guys can see. It doesn't have any batteries, so that's why it's flashing. And here's the control. You can see on the control, it's showing the red. It doesn't have battery. Drone is a small drone, and it's not for kids. It looks like it's a toy, but it's not a toy. This is a drone. It's not professional, it's true, but it's quite good. It takes 2.7K instead of 4K. And look at this gimbal. Look at the gimbal. Look at this gimbal. So every time you move, the gimbal will stay in place. How cool is this? DJI done a lovely job on this, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Amazing.
Why? Why?
Why? Because if you hit anything with the propellers on, it doesn't break the drone.
Break.
If you don't have the
windows.
if you don't have the propellers guards, the drone will break.
And then you have to ask. delivery. Okay, another drone for you.
Yes.
It's yellow.
It's yellow?
Yeah. It's yellow because the green lock is a pencil green.
Yeah. Here we go. And that's all for today. We're gonna make amazing flies with this, isn't it? Are we?
Yeah.
I never flew a drone, so it's gonna be the first time, so yeah.
You can go high in the garden.
You can go high in the garden.
Very high, 500 this one.
Okay, 500.
It can go fast. It can fly in a high sky.
Okay, right.
And when you see outside, and you see a sheep, you see a farmer.
Yeah, and a farmer. Wow. So guys, please like, subscribe our videos. Just have a look on our channel. We do videos about pretty much everything. We love doing videos. It's just for fun. So guys, please like and subscribe.
Ow. Here.
And see you guys next time.
A few moments later.
So we don't have DJ now, but we have the drone here. How cool and how stable is this, guys? It's flying here inside of the house, and look at how stable this is. DJI done a great job with this one. Look how stable it is. Look. Doesn't go anywhere. It's all for today, guys. Please like and subscribe. and hit that bell so you can get the next video, guys. Bye for now.